Hey, what's good, my friends, or as we would say in Jamaica, wagwan. I'm so glad to have you here. Today we're going to be making smothered turkey neck with butter beans over rice. Let me tell you, it's papa locking, okay? So in Jamaica, if you don't know, whenever we cannot afford oxtail, this is what we're getting, some good turkey neck. And we would nickname it ghetto oxtail. Alright, so that's a little news flash there. So as you can see, we're gonna marinate it, alright, with all the good seasonings that we have. Green seasoning, a little bit of jerk sauce, onion powder, adobe powder, garlic powder, you know the deal. All of that, we're gonna get it mixed up in there, all nice and seasoned. And as you guys already know, all of these items are in the description box. All the seasonings and herbs that I use will be in the description box. And they're also written on screen today for you. Alright, so we're just gonna cover that and let it marinate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight. And once that's ready, we get our oil hot, some olive oil, and we're gonna sear these lovely turkey necks on both sides until they're golden brown. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and like the video. Show your girl some love. Yeah, like that. If you guys are wondering, I had to do 2 batches. So that's the extra turkey neck that you see going back in there, and that's some seasoned broth water that I just added in. That's from the seasoning that I use to season the turkey neck overall. So it's not store-bought. It's just added water to the seasonings and stuff like that. Chop up some extra veggies that we're gonna need for later. And this is what our turkey neck should be looking like after cooking down for more than an hour. It's pretty much almost ready. As you can see, it's tender. It came off quite easily. Now we're gonna add in those extra veggies that we chopped up earlier. Look how pretty that is. Looking nice and pretty. And we're just gonna give that a good stir in. Then we're gonna add those baked beans, butter beans, white kidney beans, whatever you call them. And then we're gonna mix that in too. Add a little bit more water. Don't worry, the flavor ain't going nowhere. It's seated in there. Trust me. You're just gonna need a little bit more water to finish cooking this and to make sure it doesn't burn, because the beans will make it a bit thick and it will get burnt. So you will need a little bit of extra water. Pop in that nice pepper, okay? And you see me here, I just bore a hole in the pepper with the knife. That's optional, just to get the flavor out without the seeds. And now here we are, it's landed on the plate. We're serving, we're sharing. Okay, look at that juicy piece of turkey neck right there. Guys, let me tell you, it was so good. And as usual, it's time to eat, time to reap the fruits of my labor, all the hard work cooking. Alright, yeah, alright guys, so that's it. This food was once again amazing. I'm going in with the fingers. Don't judge me, I don't eat bad, but this only makes sense, okay? If you know, you know. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious meals to come. I love you guys. Bye. God bless.